We stay.
Alright, hey guys, I didn't film an intro for this video, so we're just gonna go with this whole voiceover thing right now. Obviously I'm gonna show you guys how to make a vision board. Well, not really, it's not like a tutorial or anything, it's kind of just watching me make my vision board. So let's just get started. The first thing I did was look up a quote about life that would just be my central, kind of thought for 2019 and motivate me to accomplish all the goals that I will have on this vision board. And I also looked up a bunch of different pictures and stuff that represented the goals that I wanted to accomplish this year. And so right now I am setting up this pages document, and I just arranged all my pictures onto 2 pages. I had to change the layout of my document though because it wouldn't print horizontally for some reason. So I flipped it vertical and had to rearrange all my pictures and quotes and all that stuff. It was a whole thing. After you are satisfied with that, you can just print them all out, cut the pictures. You also don't have to use pictures off the internet. You can totally collect magazines up and use pictures from magazines to save printer ink and just get, some use out of magazines that you may have already. Okay, so my camera's about to die, but I want to talk about the reasonings for everything on the board. First thing I'll talk about is it's more than music to us, which I already started gluing. I guess, I'm not really, musically talented at all, trust me. I tried the flute in, band in 6th and 7th grade. I just was not motivated enough, so I quit that bit. But, I love music. I love concerts. I've been to Coachella. It wasn't the best experience. You guys can watch that video if you would like. But I would really love to go to another music festival or just even a concert this year. I guess I can talk about this one because I moved it out of the way so I could glue down the music one. This is Cooking Mama, which some of you may be familiar with, some of you may not be. She's a game character, and she really just represents the fact that I want to cook and bake more, because that was one of my goals last year, and I did not really accomplish it because I didn't do anything to accomplish it. This just represents the fact that I want to get better at photography. This year, hopefully, it's more of a thing for me. So we can move on to this piece of clothing right here. This just represents the fact that I want to have some type of merch come out this year for my YouTube channel, and it's really badly photoshopped. You look really close at it. I just put shapes over the original logo that was on there. Yellow is one of my favorite colors. It's honestly tied with blue. I don't know if I like blue or yellow. And so having yellow merch would be really cool, a little t-shirt with not just Kaylin T on it. I didn't know what it would have on it, so I just put Kaylin T on it because that's my channel name. Right next to it is this person running. I want to run around more the neighborhood and just exercise more in general. Next up is this plane ticket with the little plane in the background. And I want to be able to travel somewhere independently or with a friend, whether it be a road trip or flying somewhere and paying for the ticket with my own money. I really want to be independent and be able to pay for a trip like that. That'd be so cool and so fun. And this YouTuber I watch, My Fam, just turned 16 and she's really independent and travels by herself and pays for her own vacations because of YouTube. This is the quote for the center of my vision board, and it's cut so bad because I really cannot cut straight. But it says, "Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will." By Susie Kassem. People are always so quick to doubt themselves and put themselves down. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will, because at least if you fail, you tried, Hopefully that makes sense. Me trying to be fake deep. Next is radiate positivity, and in yellow. This is an obvious little quote. I just want to be more positive of a person, which I feel like I've been lately compared to previous months or even the previous year. I just want to continue being a positive person in people's lives. Positive friend, a positive role model, everything. And next is my channel name with a subscribe button with 100K photoshopped on it because I want to reach 100K this year. Okay, at the top section right here, there's this sunflower kind of flowery floral tattoo. And I'm turning 18 this year, so I would really love to get my first tattoo. My mom has several tattoos, and so I know she would let me get one. And so that'd be cool to get around my birthday probably. I just really like the design, and the sunflower is one of my favorite flowers ever. It's yellow, it represents happiness, and I feel if I looked at it every day, I would just be happy. I don't know. Next up is this picture of a lady using her sewing machine, and I really want to get more into sewing and make pieces of clothing for myself. Obviously really simple pieces, nothing elaborate or crazy. My mom's sister or my aunt, she's went to a fashion school, blah blah blah. And so I feel that kind of thing just runs my family to be artistic or just a hands-on crafty person. And I've always been a crafty person growing up. Next up is just a picture of a bunch of makeup. This is also one of my goals from last year that I just didn't really do anything about. I need to practice more and just be better at it, be able to do a solid eyeshadow look. And I don't know, be able to put on eyeliner and falsies and stuff like that. This next one is obviously a thumbs up, and it says motivation. I really hope to gain more motivation this year for anything really, for being creative on my YouTube channel, because it's so hard to like motivate yourself when you're not getting, you know, the views or like interaction, which I struggle with on my channel because I have over 9,000 subscribers and yet I barely get any kind of comments or like interaction. Yeah, that's the tea. And also just with school, a bunch of other things in my life that I need motivation for. This last thing is a graduation cap and a diploma. Wait a minute, I don't graduate this year. Why did I print this out? I literally was not thinking when I printed this out. This is literally stupid. I cut it out and everything. Okay, I'm just gonna crumble this up. What the f? I'm so stupid. Should I print out like education or like a brain? Okay, cut. Just cut. Figure out what goes right here and I'll be right back. So I figured out what to put right there, and the little purple square with the girl in the bathtub is from one of the magazines I showed earlier. And it represents that I want to take care of myself more, you know, self-care and that kind of thing. For some reason, that clip is just lost that I was talking about it in. And so this is what my vision board looks like. I added it in 2019, the top, and I drew in some little doodles and stuff to make it look cuter, and I hung it up in my closet. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really simple. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!